Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a video which is what I eat in a day. So currently I am on the Slimming World plan, so I would love if you watch this video and also let me know in the comments what you eat in your day. You don't have to be dieting, you don't have to be on any sort of food plan. Just let me know down in the comments what your favorite thing to eat is every day. So without further ado, let's jump in and I will share with you what I eat breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks throughout the day. So for breakfast this morning I am having poached eggs, which I'm not quite sure are done. 3 bacon medallions, and then for my speed I'm having some strawberries. So I always put my speed in a bowl like this because I am not a massive fan of vegetables, so my speed is usually fruit. So I always put it in a bowl just to kind of keep it separate. Poached eggs and 3 bacon medallions. I'm also going to have a cup of tea with this. So for my lunch today, I am having a toasted ham and cheese sandwich with apple for my speed. So this sandwich is 2 slices of Brennan's Be Good wholemeal bread, which is my healthy extra B. I have 1 teaspoon of Lolo butter, which is for 1 sin, and then the 2 slices of ham, and also 15 grams of cheese. So the ham is free and the cheese I'm using as half of my healthy extra A, so 15 grams. And then I'm also going to have a packet of these hula hoop puffed 3.5 cents for these. So I'm just feeling a little bit peckish. I think it's because I'm making my dinner so earlier. So I have a banana and some grapes. Both of these are free. So this is what I'm going to just snack on until dinner time comes around. So I have made the awful mistake of, I've already ate a packet of these while I was making dinner. So 2.5 cents for this small packet, but hey, they taste good, so they're worth it. For dinner I am having spaghetti bolognese, spaghetti and ragu sauce, spaghetti and meat sauce, whatever you want to call it, or pasta really, because it's not spaghetti. So I'm not having any speed with this because there is so much speed in this already. There's carrots and peppers, onions, garlic, all in this sauce. If you are interested in seeing how I make this, I do have a recipe for you to follow, and that will be linked in the description below. And sprinkled on top I have this formaggio, the pasta. You know, I'm not Italian, I don't know how to say that. But sprinkled on it, I'm not quite sure of the sins value, I will work that out. But anyways, I have a sprinkle of that on it, and now I'm going to eat. To finish off the day, it is now 8:05. I'm going to have a packet of potato snacks, and these are 4.5 cents for I think like 17 grams or something. Then I'm going to have 3 of these. These are the Cadbury Boost Bites. 1 cent each for all of these. These just come out of the fridge, which is why they have that kind of white on it. And then a cup of tea. It's needed. Time to relax. And that's it guys, that is today's video. So I hope that you really did enjoy it. If you want to see more of these what I eat in the day videos, please do let me know in the comments, and also give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up really helps out my channel. It lets me know that you enjoy the videos, and it also helps me rank on YouTube so more people can discover my videos. So yeah, I do have 1 more of these where I share 3 days of Slimming World meals, and that will be linked in the description for you. And I will also have linked what my daughter eats for lunches and dinner for a whole week. So if you're interested in either of those videos, you can find them in the description, and in the description you can find a whole range of videos I recommend, my videos that I recommend that you watch next, blog posts, my blog posts that I recommend that you read, social media links. I have Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and Facebook. You can click there and follow me on those platforms if you're interested. And I also have links to like Amazon US and Amazon UK pages where I share with you some of the products that I recommend and some of the products that I've tried out myself. And if you do buy anything with my Amazon link, I do get a little bit of money back from that because they are affiliate links. So the price for you doesn't change, it stays the exact same, but if you do purchase with my link, it just lets me get a little bit of income from that. So if you are purchasing anything from Amazon UK or US, I would love if you use my links. As I said, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but I may get a tiny little bit of income from it if you are open to that. So that is today's video. As I said, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. If you're an old subscriber or a new subscriber, I would love if you hit the bell button. The bell button lets you know every single time I upload a new video. I also have blog posts for you to check out, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of those things you can find in the description. And that's it, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.